Hi everybody and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to take a look at how to properly record guitars into the Maschine MK3 and get quality results. And this is a follow-up to my previous video on the Maschine MK3, my 1-year review, which you can watch if you click the link above here. Let's take the tour. Okay, so I think every studio should own a direct input or direct injection box, because if you're recording guitars, this will help your signal tremendously and help your quality of the guitar to really come out. This one is from Phonic and it has a pad which can adjust the signal to different levels, and you also have a balanced output and the ground lift if you want to prevent electronic interference between your electric equipment and the mixing console, or in this case the Maschine MK3. And this is an active direct box, so it has battery power. And what the DI box actually do is that it's converting your unbalanced signal into a balanced signal. So your high impedance instrument signal will be converted to a low impedance signal. And that will really help your quality of the guitar to come out. Yeah, so let's record a little guitar phrase first with a direct input with the DI box, and then we will record the same phrase to the Maschine MK3 but without the direct box. That means that we will connect the cable directly into the mic input of the Maschine MK3. So okay, and now without the DI box. Okay, so let's listen back to those recordings and see which of the recordings which sounds the best. First with a direct input box. And now the recording without the DI box. As you can hear, the sound without the DI box, without the direct box, you get a more muffled and more filtered kind of muted sound. And with the DI box you get a more full-bodied and you get more high-end into the sound too. I will switch between those two a bit more quickly now. Yeah, so my conclusion is get yourself a DI box if you want to record quality guitar into your Maschine MK3. Yeah, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope you learned something about the Maschine MK3 and that you can get quality guitars into the machine if you use a DI box. Please subscribe if you're new and press the bell icon to get notifications when I have new videos up. And now you can watch my next video on the Maschine MK3. It's more of a full review after having the Maschine for about a year. Thanks again for watching and see you soon. Bye bye!